Hi everyone, today I'm going to share something really special. So this is a Sheaffer's pencil which my dad used about 45 years ago or 40 years ago in his engineering. It was then passed on to me and I used it during my engineering. I still have it and I intend to pass on the same when the time comes. So here's this pencil. This was gifted to my dad by one of his uncles in 1977 when he came from US, and since then this pencil has been there in the family. Here's a short writing sample of this vintage 45-year-old Sheaffer Mechanical Pencil. Let me know how you like it, and yeah, this is a legacy. It works really well.